Hello, welcome to DQG, Ancient Wisdom. Surely you are also wondering how ancient people in the past made money? Ancient people in ancient times had many ways to make money, based on their circumstances, society and skills. Below are some common methods that ancient people used to make a living and accumulate wealth. 1. Agriculture. Farming. Growing staple crops like rice, corn, potatoes, and vegetables was the main source of income for many families. Animal husbandry. Raising livestock such as cattle, pigs, chickens, and sheep provided food and byproducts like milk, eggs, and leather. 2. Craftsmanship. Weaving. Producing fabrics from cotton, wool, or silk and then selling or trading them. Pottery. Creating ceramic and porcelain goods for sale or trade. Woodworking. Making wooden items such as tables, chairs, cabinets, and everyday tools. 3. Trade. Commerce. Buying and selling goods, from agricultural products to handicrafts, between regions. Barter. Directly exchanging goods without using money, especially common in early economies. 4. Traditional occupations. Blacksmithing. Making and repairing tools, weapons, and metal household items. Carpentry. Crafting household items and constructing buildings. 5. Services. Medicine. Physicians or herbalists treating illnesses and providing medicinal herbs. Education. Teachers educating children in villages or towns. Arts and culture. Artisans, musicians, and performers participating in festivals and events. 6. Taxes and fees. Officials. Government officials often received salaries and a percentage of taxes and fees. 7. Military. Soldiers and generals. Receiving pay from the state and sometimes rewards from war spoils. 8. Resource extraction. Mining. Extracting natural resources like gold, silver, copper, iron, and precious stones. Fishing. Providing food from the sea, rivers, and lakes. Those are the money-making methods of ancient people. Thank you for your interest. Don't forget to press the follow button so you don't miss out on interesting things.